Hey guys, doing a little bit of a pork chop skillet, and wanted to talk to you about these center loin chops. Look how beautiful they are. You know, they're not fatty. They have some marbling on the outside. I got them for $1.99 a pound. How can you beat that? Sometimes you get pork chops where they're like this on top, and then you have scrappy ones underneath, you know. But they were selling these at Hannaford for $1.99 a pound just for free. And they're all beautiful, so I got them. But salt, pepper, garlic. I put a little bit of bacon fat on the bottom. Now I'm going to give them some color. Again, salt, pepper, garlic. Look at those. Little crowded, but okay. I'm going to do the other side. I'm going to lower my heat a little bit. If you want, once you get the color in, you could do a little bit of sauteed onion on the outside. I'm going to throw a little bit of white wine, and then I'm going to cover it up, okay, and let it simmer. Again, you want to cook these through. Temperature is 165 to 170 internal temperature, just like chicken or turkey, okay. But what beautiful chops. So when you buy pork chop, these are the center loin. You get them on sale for $1.99. I mean, they didn't even have a sale on these. They were just inexpensive, but beautiful looking, you know. So as long as you can see all the chops, again, I mentioned that they put some good ones on top. These are also thick cut, as you see on the top. Look how thick that is, you know. Probably have a little color going. Look at that. You see? That's where all the flavor is. So, alright guys, I'm going to cover this up and get some onions cut. Again, I'm going to throw a little bit of wine in there, and I'm going to let them simmer for probably 20 minutes. I'm going to put my timer on here. And remember, the flavor's in the brown. Just a little bit of I put a little bit of bacon fat. These are relatively lean, so there's not a lot of fat in them. And again, I season them up with salt, pepper, garlic, right? Not too much salt. Medium flame. I'm going to lower that and a little white wine. Beautiful. Okay, guys? Some pork chops in the saute. This is a non-stick. Salt, pepper, garlic. And again, get that color and flavor. And don't leave the pan on its own. You know, a lot of people burn food not paying attention. So I'm going to lower this down. I'm going to get my vegetables cut and go from there. Hey, thank you guys. Let me just flip this one over. See what look at that. Beautiful. Boy, I can't wait. Starving. Put that in there, push it down a little bit. Let me see this one here. Wow, nice. Beautiful. All right, guys. Hey, enjoy. Thank you.